Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by accessing Gmail settings because that's where phone linking starts. Sign in with the account you want to update, then open Settings and choose Accounts and Import to manage recovery and contact info. Make sure your phone is powered on and can receive SMS. Many verifications use a one-time code. Once signed in, scroll to the Phone or Recovery section so you're ready to add or edit your number without interruptions or extra navigation steps. Now add the number. Click Add Phone Number or edit the Recovery Phone field, then enter your country code and full digits to avoid mistakes. Google will send a 6-digit verification code via SMS. Once received, type it exactly into the prompt. If you don't get the code, request resend after 30 seconds and check for carrier delays. Make sure two-step prompts match the number you entered, so Gmail links the correct device and updates account security settings immediately. Complete the process by confirming the new number and reviewing recovery options so you know how Gmail will use the phone for security. Once done, test the setup with a sign-in prompt or password recovery to validate delivery. If verification fails, try again with the number typed correctly, switch to a different network or Wi-Fi, or use an authenticator app temporarily. If problems persist, contact your carrier for SMS blocks. That usually resolves delivery issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.